Hello, everybody, and welcome to ChessDiagnostic. So, I just saw John Bartholomew playing this Puzzle Rush thing, and I thought it was really cool, so I thought I'd make a video. I just tried it out, but I'm going to try again here. Alright, so let's see. Obviously, checkmate. Alright. I really like this idea. There's a checkmate there. And then checkmate. And then checkmate. Let's see here. Checkmate. Win the queen. Yeah, I saw Hikaru Nakamura doing this, and it's insanely fast. Checkmate there. This is basically like the Chess Tactics server that I talked about in my 28 Days to Better Chess Tactics. Unfortunately, that has closed down. And looks like we'll get. Oh, I should have just. That would have been checkmate right away. Okay. Let's see here. Checkmate. Win an exchange. Alright, yeah, there we go. And then rook. These basic tactics, I've been seeing a lot of them in games and missing them actually, because I haven't been really practicing my tactics. Obviously, white has a lot of threats there. Let's see. Obviously, there's still one to go. What am I missing here? If I move the rook anywhere, so he's threatening mate. Let's see. Okay, just take the rook. Alright, win the queen. There we go. Win the bishop. Check. Win the rook. Yeah, it's weird how if you don't know the pattern, then... Oh, checkmate. Then it's really hard to find. Take. Fork. Check. If he would have took the bishop, that would have been checkmate, I think, on queen to g5. Let's see here. Take. And then wins the bishop. What's that? It's check, and then... Oh, checkmate. That still would have won anyway, though. I don't know why that was wrong. Checkmate. Alright, so... check. Can't move my mouse fast enough. Oh. Alright, so I set a new record for myself, I guess. I guess I'll do one more of these. This is actually really fun. Checkmate. At first, it looks like we're just going off intuition. Checkmate. Seems like the key to this is you want to move really quickly in the beginning. Checkmate. I guess you'd probably have to mate with a knight and a bishop. I had a knight and a bishop. Let's see here. A knight and a... damn it. I'm not sure what the correct move on that was. I had a knight and a bishop checkmate against a master once, and I bungled it up. I just got a draw. We kept playing, and he kept like taunting me during the game. It was really weird. Okay, check win the knight. That's mate. That's mate 2. I guess we'll have to mate here. That's annoying when it makes you do all the moves, though. Okay. I guess if I come here, at least you'll win the rook. Okay. So takes and then just wins a knight. White to move here, I guess. What am I doing wrong? That just takes. Just trying to figure out some of these. Let's see. Comes back, and then wins the rook, and then gives away the queen. All right. Look to the end of the line is... Oh, okay. Chase him away, win the rook. Tempted by the fork. I don't know what I did wrong there. Win the knight. Just forcing moves initially. These become more difficult. Okay. Take. So win a piece. Obviously just a check. And then I think this will be mate forced now. What to do? I guess I'll just win the next. I'll win a piece there. Okay, so win the pawn, and then keep the initiative. Those endgames are helping, apparently. Looks like I'm going to be mated. Is there a mate? I think there's a mate. Check. Checkmate. There we go. I had a position like that in the tournament before I went to the Millionaire Chess. I think it was against a 1900 player or something. The guy didn't want to look at the game afterwards with me. What to do here? I guess just takes. What am I missing? No. All right, well, I did my best ever there. I don't know what this global highest solved. Very interesting. Yeah, I think I'll do this in the future. These are quite cool puzzles.